Welcome once again to the Christies of Space. In today's video, let's talk about how to create longer video with AI using another app. So with this app, you'll be able to use Grøk, you'll be able to use VO3 and Seedance, another video generation site on this app. So you go to your Play Store, on your Play Store, you search for Tinker. You search for Tinker, as you can see it on my screen, Tinker Spotify. So this is the app here. So if you don't have it before on your phone, you tap on it and you install it. So let's allow it to install as we wait. It has been installed. After installing it on your phone, you open it. This is how the Tinker app look like. Once it opens for you, you click on sign in above to create your account. You register with your Google account to sign in. So let's sign in with our Google account. So you'll be required to choose the account you want to sign in with. Agree and share. Once you are signed in, this is how it will look like. So this is how it will look like. So once you're on the site, below your screen you see try to create. You see the try to create icon. You tap on it. So on this interface, when you look up here, you see the different image generator you can use. So you can use Google Gemini, OpenAI, Grok. You can create video, and you can also do text to video. So but in this video we'll be talking about how to create videos with this app. So let's take it to video. So you'll be asked to input your prompt. So where you have this icon here, where you have Google, so when you click on it, you'll see the different AI generation app you can use. So you can use Seedance, video generator, you can use Clean AI, you can use Clean Video, and you can use VO3 on this app. But me, I want to use Seedance. So you tap Seedance. So you input your prompt here. You select your photo, upload your photo here, and you choose your video frame. Additional setting, you choose the aspect ratio for your video, then you slide to generate. That is how it works. So let's input a prompt. I created this video with Seedance, so let me show it to you. This one, I created it with Seedance just now. So let's play it and see.
Look at his shoes! He doesn't even belong here! Look at his shoes!
This is the first video I created. 4 seconds. So this is the second one I later created. So let's play it.
Look at his shoes! He doesn't even belong here! Look at his shoes!
So this is the video I created using this app. When you click on type to create, take it to video. You choose the image video generation you want to use. I use Seedance for the video you just watched. So now let's use VO3 to create the next video. So let's go and copy our prompt. Like I said, you copy your prompt for ChatGPT or cloud.
So after copying your prompt, you tap to impute your prompt on that prompt interface. So to bring in your photo, you tap on the start frame photo and tap on your photo library to bring in your photo. For the second photo, since we are using Google View 3, you also bring in the same photo to be there. So the photo you must use for the video creation must be the same photo for both the start frame and the end frame. Allow your photo to be uploaded so that you can go to the next settings, which is the additional settings. So after adding your photo, you go to additional setting to choose your aspect ratio and your duration. So I'll be using 6 seconds as my duration. So once you are done, then you slide to generate and wait for your video to be generated. Video is generating. Let's wait while it is generating. Our video is ready. So to download your video, click on the 3-dot icon below your screen and tap download, and your video will be downloaded to your device. Thank you very much. This is simply how to use the Thinker app in creating videos for your content creation game. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe or follow for more video tutorials like this. Thank you.